Now let us talk about the sub-object label in 3ds Max. So this is the nucleus of modeling. So this is very important because from this we can build anything. Okay, let's start with Spline. This is a shape, and in this we can access this by clicking this arrow. There are three kinds of sub-objects. The vertex, we can move, we can adjust this handle, the segments, and the spline. In vertex, there are three kinds of vertex or vertices, if there are many. Right click to access this. This is a bezier, corner, and bezier corner. We can also access this here in the selection under the rendering, and we can choose the segment or the spline or the vertex. Okay, so we can add a vertex. If we select the vertex, we can add a vertex by right clicking and refine, and we can select this. We can change this to corner, maybe. The same also with the primitive shapes. To access the sub-object label of this primitive shape, it's a rectangle also. There are two ways. First is we can add stock and editable spline. Edit spline, and we can access here the vertex, and we can go back the rectangle, change the length and the width. We can also delete this, same as this one. Edit spline. Okay, so this is for the shapes. Now let's go to the objects. Let's create a sphere. Now to access this, there are also two kinds. First is to add stock edit poly, so we can access here polygon. Let us full screen the perspective, F3 and F4 to see the wireframe. The edges can move around. Then the vertex. The other one, which I am usually using, is that we can delete this one, is right click this one and editable poly. In this can access this the same as the edit poly in the stock. Now I want to show you something that you can notice that this kind of window crossing, there is a rectangle, middle, and the center. So let us try this one. What is capable of this? Okay, deselect all. I am choosing this in the center, so look at that. I select nothing, but if I window this one, so these are only that I selected. Let us use the polygon so that it is clear. So if I select this one, I have nothing selects, but if I window this, so this is my selection. I can use control down to add selection, something like that. Then click outside to deselect. But if I'm going to use this one, I am selecting. Okay, so you can see the difference. I can also press control to add. And also this one kind of selection, we are using the rectangle, but we can also use the elliptical one. Let's say let I use the vertex. Let us do an elliptical selection. Okay, as you can see, now use the polygonal selection. So there is another one, the pane selection. So let us activate the polygon. Because I am using the move tool, so let us use the select tool and this one. So you can notice my mouse, when I put my mouse inside, the cursor will change. Okay, so I am painting the selection.